Under a merciless sun, Ramu's small farm field is a tapestry of parched earth and withered crops. Cracked soil stretches to the horizon, a stark testament to the relentless drought. Ramu surveys the devastation, his face a canvas of worry etched deep by despair. Ramu walks along the dusty road, his meager bag slung over his shoulder, each step a stride away from the familiar. His eyes, pools of determination, reflect the shimmering heat of the road, a testament to his resolve. Villagers offer words of encouragement as they pass, their voices a fading chorus of hope echoing in the vast landscape. Months later, the sun casts a golden glow over Ramu's farm, now a vibrant field of green. The thriving crops sway gently in the breeze, a testament to renewed life and hope. Ramu stands amidst his bounty, his smile reflecting the pride and relief of a dream realized.